Tyreek Magee has received his long-awaited call-up. As I previously said, the best thing happened to Tyreek Magee was him coming back to the USL from Europe, as he's now closer to the Jamaican setup. And now he has received his call-up for the game against Guatemala the next week. This is a top player who hasn't reached his full potential. His teammates Speedy Williams and Beckford and Romario Williams will also join him in that game. So it seems like there's a Colorado switchback contingency coming in to this game. I'm looking forward to seeing Tyreek Magee. We think this player is class, and it's now official. It has now been released by Colorado switchback that this player has received his call up. As you know, Jamaica is lacking that creative player in the attacking third. Not saying Tyreek Magee is the answer, but he's a player that I think definitely can bring something to the table with his skill set. Still think he needs to work a bit more off the football and try to be more involved in the game as he goes quiet in the game. However, this is a big call up for this player. Jamaica really need this youngster to come through. Will he impress Coach Jaime Hallgrimson? We don't know about that yet because the coach seems like he liked players that works very hard off and on the football. So here's Tyreek Magee's chance. He has to now go out there and prove himself to this head coach and just become a mainstay in the Jamaican team, because I still think there's an opening for a player like Tyreek Magee to get this opportunity. So here we have it, guys. Tyreek Magee has received his senior call-up. First time back in the team under this new head coach, and first time back after coming back from Europe to the USL, playing very well at Colorado. Started off on the bench, but he started to break into the starting lineup, and we saw him score some brilliant goals this season. So well done to the youngster. His teammate Speedy Williams as well has made a return. Romario Williams, who has been playing very well in the team, and Beckford, a youngster who has been around there lurking. He's also at Colorado switchback. He has received a call up. So thank you for joining me, guys. Until next time.